Hi, I'm Jerry with Garage Floors by Closet Factory. We're here today to show one of our new services, making it stress-free for you with your new garage floor. So we're going to move this refrigerator. Here we go. This air sled is designed to glide over your floors easily by using the power of air. We will seamlessly move your heavy appliances with ease if you choose to purchase our removal and reinstallation service. We will wrap, plug in, and place your appliance outdoors during the installation process. Once your floor is finished, we will reinstall the appliances, all while protecting your brand new floor. When it comes to removing and replacing your appliances in your garage, let Garage Floor by Closet Factory do all the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.